Hello, dear viewers. I'm pleased that we are able to show you exciting topics and news from the WAGO world in the new format of the webcast. In the webcast energy measurement, you will receive interesting information about the different possibilities and applications of energy measurement. Feel free to ask me questions at any time using the live chat function. If you are watching the video at a time when the chat function is not available, please feel free to contact our team on the WAGO website. Before I start with the actual topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Michael Meyer and I'm Product Manager in the business unit Interface Electronic, and I'm responsible for signal conditioners and current transformers. And now let's start with the topic for you. Energy costs rise and rise. But what can I do? The price of electricity will continue rise for everyone in the next years, but also the products for the future must be easy to handle. In order to reduce the cost, a systematic energy measurement is necessary. The keyword is here: create transparency. At first, only the total costs of energy are known. This is no detailed information about where and how much energy are consumed. Here the important factor is to select the right products in advance. That could be save a lot of time and money. Depending on the situation from the company, energy savings of approx 30% and more. In the past, it was a big puzzle of different technical components. Example, which is the right current transformer for the energy meter? How can I calculate the cable length for current transformers? So today we can say we have a lot of simple solutions thanks standard and cost-effective automation technology. WAGO offers different products exactly tailored to the application. In addition, the free WAGO configuration software offers the option the cable length calculation between current transformer and energy meter. Okay, one of the application example is measuring the individual consumption values. That means here, for example, in one phase or three phase power measurement. The next topic is avoidance of load peaks through the optimal energy distributions. So that means several consumers on the same phase to better split up into individual phases. So the next big topic is machine condition monitoring. That means recognize early signs of wear. So this is the energy consumption over the time, detection of deviations from the consumption. The next one, measurement and billing of the energy consumption of production machines, transparency of wall boxes and charging stages, and the last one, or the last big topic, individual billing of energy consumption per tenant. Here, for example, the shopping center with an integrated bakery shop. In summary, it is very important to have a statement about of all consumers. As I said at the beginning, create transparency. We would like to take a closer look into the products for energy measurement. So I will start with a plug-in current transformer with an integrated cage clamp technology. Here you have the possibility you can save a lot of time during the first installation. The next one is the split core current transformer. Here you have the possibility or the application retrofit, and here this is a Rogowski coil also for retrofit application. So and here we have the possibility in combination with our three-phase power measurement module, we can measure currents up to 4000 amps in an accuracy class 0.5. So here in the middle we can see a very nice accessory for our power cage clamp. This is our 2-in-1 solution, a current and voltage step. Here you have the possibility you can connect the voltage. So in the voltage pairs you have an integrated fuse. Then in the bottom you have an integrated current transformer, and then you have all values that you need for the power, current and voltage. And these accessory is very easy to handle. You can mount this here in a jumper shaft, and these products are available for the power cage clamps 185 square millimeters, 95 square millimeters and 35 square millimeters. On the left side you can see a special product for the building industry. So this is a plug-in current transformer with Picomax connection technology, and here we can measure in small current ranges, for example 35 amp to 1 amp. Okay, this was an overview from the current transformers, and here on the right side you can see some nice products which you can connect the voltage. Here, this product you have the possibility and you can mount this voltage step on the insulated wire up to 16 square millimeters. The other one is you have here the possibility with a voltage step, and you can mount or connect this one directly on the bus bar. And you have here the same function as in the current and voltage steps. You have here the integrated fuse directly on the connection point. This is a product that is very helpful to connect current transformers and voltage steps. You have a lot of possibility. For example, you can build a start point, you can make a short circuit from the current transformer, and many more detailed information you can find on our WAGO website. So, and now I will show you how easy it is to calculate the cable length between current transformer and, for example, here our 3-phase measurement module with our free interface configuration software. And now I will start the interface configuration software, and I will click here, current transformers. So here at the beginning you can switch between split core plug-in current transformers. So we go here to the plug-in current transformer and start the cable length calculation. So you can see here on the left side we have the current transformers, in the middle we have the terminal blocks for current transformers, and on the right side we have here, for example, the 3-phase power measurement module. So in here you can very easy calculate the maximum distance. So all relevant parameters, for example, from the current transformers we have integrated here very easy in a drop-down menu. So that's also the same for our 3-phase power measurement modules. So, and now I can calculate here the maximum cable length. Yes. And you have also the possibility when you have do the calculation, you can save this one for later when you need the documentation, for example, for your switching cabinet. So this was an overview of current transformers and voltage steps, and for these we need also a strong measurement technology. So I will show you some nice products. Here you can see the 3-phase power measurement module. So here you have the possibility and you can measure here all relevant metrics from a 3-phase supply network. Here you can see another housing. This is special for the building industry. Here we can also measure the 3 phases. And on the left side you can see some products which you can measure, for example, directly the voltage, the current or the power. So on the left side you can see the 1-phase power transducer, and now I will show you in our free interface configuration software how easy it is to configure this modules. So I will start the configuration software. Here you can see you have two possibilities. You can configure our signal conditioners, and you have the possibility to can make a cable length calculation between current transformer and our, for example, three-phase power measurement module. So I will start to configure the one-phase power transducer. I will start the configuration software. So this is here the complete overview of all values from the power transducer. So for example, you can here change between voltage, current, and so on. So we will simulate a voltage here on the input side. And here, for example, we can configure the digital output. For example, we configure a switching threshold from 15 volt, and we can change here to the relay configuration, and we configure here the switching threshold from 12 volts. So then we write here the configuration into our power transducer, and then we can see here in the software the relay and the digital output are switched. When we go to the application overview, you can see it. I can simulate this one. So here the relay switched and additionally the digital output. So, and this example should be show you how easy to handle or to configure our WAGO signal conditioners. Great transparency is always at the forefront. Afterwards, also the cost must be built. For the following application, here the charging infrastructure, that means transparency for wall boxes and charging stages, the order relation production, measured of the energy consumption of production machines, and the distributed properties, that means individual billing of energy consumption per tainted. So therefore we need an energy meter which we can have the possibility to bill the energy. So to the autumn, winter, WAGO expand the portfolio with a complete new energy meter generation in according with the MID directive. So we will start with 3 types of energy meters. So the first 2 energy meters, here you have the possibility and you can measure directly currents up to 65 amps. And the other one is the energy meter for current transformers. Here we have the big advantage. So when you're looking to the model width, here we are in 35 millimeters. So, and when you need some more information or technical details, please have a look on our WAGO homepage. And now I will explain or show you our 5 key features from the new energy meters. So I will start with the communication interfaces. So we have an integrated Modbus and MBus interface, and additionally we have 2 S0 outputs integrated. So and these 3 interfaces are for all 3 types. So this was a communication. The next one is the configuration. We have here the possibility we can configure the new energy meter generation with control sensitive elements, or we have the possibility to configure here with the Bluetooth configuration app. The next one is the big display here in the middle. So here you can see all relevant metrics from the supply network. And one of the biggest advantages also stands for WAGO is the connection technology. So here we have an integrated push-in cage clamp technology with a lever. So the last key feature are the model width. You can see here the 2 meters which you can measure directly. We are here in 4 dimension units, and This is the energy meter for current transformers. We are here in 2-dimension units, and that means we are here in the model with 35 millimeters. I hope I could provide you with new and exciting information about the topic energy measurement. Please feel free to use the Meet the Speaker function afterwards, where you can go into an exchange on the subject of energy measurement. If you have any questions, please contact your known contacts or use contact to our team on the WAGO website. Here you can find additional information about the different solution possibilities and products in the field of energy measurement. Thank you very much for your attention.